Hi everyone, myself Gayatri Ashok, third physics student. Today we are going to discuss about the topic isothermal and adiabatic elasticity. Adiabatic and isothermal elasticity of a gas. Elasticity of a gas. We know gas possess elastic properties because they can change their volume under the action of stress or pressure. We know bulk modulus K is equal to stress by strain. That is K is equal to minus dP divided by dV by V, where delta P is the change in pressure or force per unit area on the material. Delta V is the change in volume of material due to compression. As this is a compressive force, its volume decreases and change in volume is represented as minus delta V and V is the initial volume. So we write K is equal to minus V into dP divided by dV. The negative sign shows that increase in pressure causes a decrease in the volume. This change in volume signifies the volume elasticity of the gas. There are two conditions under which a gas can be compressed. First one is isothermal condition and the second one is adiabatic condition. Isothermal condition: when gas is compressed at a constant temperature, the corresponding volume elasticity we obtain at this condition is called isothermal elasticity and it is represented as Kt. And the second is adiabatic condition. When gas is compressed such that no heat enters or leaves the system, the corresponding volume elasticity obtained at this condition is called adiabatic elasticity. It is represented as K phi. Isothermal elasticity. We know it is the volume elasticity at constant temperature. For an ideal gas, the equation is PV is equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is the volume, N is the number of moles, R is the universal gas constant, T is temperature. So under isothermal condition, T is a constant, so we write PV is equal to a constant. On differentiating, applying product rule, we get P into differential of the second term, that is dV by dV, plus V into differential of the first term, dP divided by dV is equal to 0. P is equal to minus V into dP divided by dV. Taking V in the numerator to denominator, we get pressure is equal to minus of dP divided by dV by V. This is the isothermal elasticity of ideal gas. And we represent isothermal elasticity as Kt. Therefore, Kt is equal to P is equal to minus dP divided by dV by V. The second one is adiabatic elasticity. We know it is the volume elasticity when no heat enters or leaves the system. For a perfect gas under adiabatic condition, PV raised to gamma is equal to a constant. On differentiating, apply product rule, that is P into differential of the second term, that is gamma into V raised to gamma minus 1 into dV divided by dV plus V raised to gamma into differential of the first term, dP divided by dV is equal to 0. That is P into gamma into V raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to minus V raised to gamma into dP divided by dV. Taking V raised to gamma minus 1 to the right hand side, we get P into gamma is equal to minus V raised to gamma divided by V raised to gamma minus 1 into dP divided by dV. Taking V raised to gamma minus 1 to the numerator, P into gamma is equal to minus V raised to minus 1 into dP divided by dV, which is equal to minus dP divided by dV by V. This is the adiabatic elasticity. We represented it as K phi, which is equal to gamma P, which is equal to minus dP divided by dV by V. Now we are going to take the ratio of isothermal elasticity and adiabatic elasticity. We know isothermal elasticity Kt is equal to P equal to minus dP divided by dV by V, and adiabatic elasticity K phi is equal to gamma P is equal to minus dP divided by dV by V. Taking the ratio of adiabatic elasticity K phi divided by isothermal elasticity Kt is equal to gamma P divided by P is equal to gamma. We know gamma is equal to Cp, where gamma is the adiabatic coefficient of gas, and Cp is heat capacity at constant pressure, and Cv is heat capacity at constant volume. Finally, we obtain the relation K phi by Kt, that is the ratio of adiabatic elasticity to isothermal elasticity is equal to gamma adiabatic index, which is equal to Cp divided by Cv. Thank you.